about the changing the landscape. We were looking at 14 metres, we're looking at 18.9 metres
Yep.
now.
No, don't
I'm
go.
scared.
Don't go, don't go. Don't go, don't go. Reverse, reverse, whatever you do. What the F? Are you serious? No.
You're recording, by the way.
Oh, yeah.
Some people have made it.
And it was like a demolition derby. I was hurried, a lot like swerving. Cause I work on the road. She was like Russell the Crow. Jay with a fine, I that I don't wanna fight. Another night chewing up my ear like wine. Another night ruined that you were.
That's
Yeah.
Whoa, look at this. Take this, look, take the picture of the house is moving. Look, they've got everything. And told us to evacuate because the police and Brisbane City Council told us to do that. So that's what we're doing. Yeah, doing that. I think that's